Organizations are upgrading to IP intercom systems to enhance communication and security. However, the prospect of ripping and replacing existing network infrastructure to support IP devices creates significant challenges. NVT Phybridge provides a simple and cost-effective solution by delivering power and Ethernet over any new or existing single-pair UTP, coax, multi-pair UTP, or two-wire infrastructures, reducing cost, complexity, deployment times, disruption, and security concerns. IP intercom systems provide significant advantages over analog, including crystal clear audio for improved communication and situational awareness. They enable seamless integration with other systems, such as surveillance, access control, and building management platforms, providing centralized control and management. IP intercom networks are also future-ready, allowing organizations to expand or adapt systems as needed to support growth and evolving requirements. Our Power over Ethernet innovations includes managed switches, unmanaged switches, and extender solutions. The PoLRE family transforms single-pair UTP cabling into a reliable IP network. The Flex family delivers long-range Ethernet and PoE over multi-pair UTP cabling. The 1701 Plus innovations enable IP and PoE over coax, two-wire, or single-pair cabling. And the CLEER family converts coax cabling into a powerful IP backbone for intercoms, cameras, and more. NVT Phybridge makes it easy to achieve advanced IP connectivity without costly, time-consuming, and disruptive recabling. Are you ready to modernize your intercom systems? Visit www.nvtphybridge.com/better IP outcomes to learn more.